My concern is the basic fundamental policy is wear a mask everywhere. It has to also be in schools.
As BC continues to see record-breaking case numbers of COVID-19, a Langley parent of 2 is asking why these are not mandatory in BC schools.
We have to physical distance and wear a mask at the grocery store, anywhere else you would go, but not in schools. I'm extremely concerned for the teachers' health and safety and their well-being.
There's not a reason necessarily to wear a mask outdoors. This time of year, as it's getting cold, it actually can be quite helpful. But we should be focusing on those situations where we know this virus is more likely to transmit, and that's indoor settings, particularly if we're spending more than 15 minutes face-to-face with somebody.
Dr. Bonnie Henry emphasized the need for masks to be worn indoors at her press briefing Monday, but did not suggest that principle applies to our schools. Jenny Abbott has children in grades 6 and 10, and she says they are starting to get confused with the different mask-wearing policies in and outside of school.
They're saying that they feel frustrated, but also very disappointed, and I think they're feeling let down because they're being told 2 different things.
The BC Teachers Federation has also been pushing for masks to become required in schools. BCTF President Terry Mooring says recently they requested masks be required even on a short-term basis, while students are shuffled into new cohorts.
At the end of the secondary school semesters, students go into new cohorts, and we know that the cohorts provide a protective function according to the Provincial Health Office. We've been asking for masks to be mandated for 2 weeks during that transition time. We've just been informed that there's no need to do that. We need a rationale around that because, again, this is another situation where it just isn't going to make sense to teachers.
Go into the schools, see what they're facing, listen to them, and help them so that they can continue to keep the schools open, keep our kids getting educated, keep the economy going. But we have to listen to the teachers.
In Vancouver, Ashley Burr, City News.